can have this one. 2500. But if you buy,
here we are, a million stars floating over our heads, beating hearts, falling apart, staying up to forget, but baby we'll fall. We all go dancing down.
hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm taking you to EASTLEIGH. We are, which one is this? Al Habib Mall. Yes. So apparently we are here at around 5:30 and most of the stores have been closed, so I don't know if we'll get some stores open, but we are here. Yes, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. Yeah, support this girl over here and like this video, give it a big thumbs up. So let us show you how the Al Habib Mall looks like.
When paradise is found, we're shaking up the ground, 'cause there ain't no stopping love. Say there ain't no stopping love. No, there ain't no stopping love. There ain't no stopping
So guys, this is the first store that we have gotten to, and I'm telling you, they have very nice. This is a paper bag trouser if you want to know. Oh, this is my outfit of the day. I bought this body cord, and I don't know why this pocket is. And some sneakers, some military jackets. Yeah.
on my mind. So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. 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 You know everything about me.
Again, number B17.
When I say B17, they'll come here. They'll be able to locate you. In another store that they have very nice bags ranging from 1500, and the colors are very beautiful.
So you take one by one.
I just want to take everything. Color. This is not a bad color. You see this one? So many colors. They have in this, in pink. This is pink or peach.
Very cheap, eh?
Cheap or more expensive, but it's so nice.
This is what I want. Let's see your outfit of the day.
My outfit of the day.
You remember, guys, these boots? So these bags, there are so many. They are waiting for you. See, I don't know if you can see this one. Oh my. Aki, you need 1500, and if you're buying more than 3, you'll get at a very good price. Guys, you're from our second store, and too bad we came too so late. It's going to 6 and most of the shops are closing, so we'll go to the next mall and try and see if we'll get something. Okay, so this is how easily malls looks like.
Like what?
You say subscribe. So we are going to the next mall and we are hoping to find something. So one tip, if you're coming to Eastleigh and you want to try
Don't come on Friday.
Don't come on Friday and don't come late. You see all those stores are closed. Come early, be here early.
On my mind, sustained with hope, and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. But our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free.
Guys, that was our Eastleigh, like trying to show you where to go. And one tip, go to Al Habib Mall. Yeah, they have very nice products, clothes, handbags. Yeah, so if you have enjoyed watching, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below. Yeah, let me know if you are enjoying this series. Are you enjoying this series? So I did a Gikomba shopping, I did a toy shopping, now it's Eastleigh. I will link the videos, make sure you watch them. So until next time, bye bye.